Hello, I'm Tilly and welcome to my kitchen. Now, this is a really big shop, and believe it or not, all this shopping costs less than £30. And it's the Asda Just Essentials range, and we've tried all of these items and we like all of these items, and it cost less than £30. And there are quite a lot of meals in here. So I'm going to take you through it all, show you the prices of everything, and the total cost for all this food was £29.93. Now that is an absolute bargain. So I'm going to take you through everything. Everything is priced up. So we'll start at this end, and we've got a big bag of muesli, which is a kilogram bag, and it's really nice muesli, and it's £1.23. We've got a bag of porridge oats, which is 70p, and that is also a kilo. We've got 2 tins of chicken soup, and that is 24p a tin. 2 tins of peeled plum tomatoes at 28p each. 3 tins of baked beans at 25p each, and these are excellent flavour. They're really nice flavoured beans. We've got a tin of sweet corn for 38p. 2 tins of custard for 40p. A tin of mandarins in light syrup for 49p. 500 grams of pasta shapes for 35p. Gravy granules, 200 grams for 32p, and it's really, really good. Cannot tell a difference between this and the big brands. So we've got a toilet block to go under the rim of the toilet, 19p. Some washing powder, bio washing powder, 45 washes, and that's £2.30. Some, I nearly said Weetabix, they're not Weetabix, they're wheat biscuits, but they are as good as big brand. 77p for 24. We've got 40 tea bags, 2 packs of those at 31p each. Now, I'm really fussy about my tea, but I like this, so I'm happy to buy it at 31p. 3 packs of golden vegetable savoury rice at 28p. 200 grams, I think that's 200 grams. Yeah, 200 grams of salted peanuts for 46p. Some crunchy peanut butter for £1.05. Chunky chicken in white sauce, and it is really nice, £1.25. So you can just pour that over some boiled rice and you've got a meal. Or you can put it in pastry, like on the picture there, make a pie. It's really good. Chili con carne, 97p. It's excellent. It's the cheapest I've found chili con carne in a tin, and it is really, really good. So Irish stew, 2 tins of Irish stew for 75p each. 3 tins of spaghetti and tomato sauce, 19p each. I mean, it's 19p. It's so cheap, isn't it? 2 tins of mushy peas. Love mushy peas, especially with a bit of mint sauce on them. Oh, lovely. 25p each. I've got 2 kilogram bags of the frozen mixed veg at 72p each. A corned beef, which is 150 grams for £1.25, and it is really, really nice. Really good. So 2 packs of that. 250 gram pack of grated cheddar for £2.50. 2 frozen beef lasagnas for 90p each. Again, really, really nice. 10 breaded cod fish cakes for £1.10. Did I do these? I can't remember. Chicken flavour instant noodles, 22p each. I got 3 of those. 15 Yorkshire puddings for 50p. Now they're quite small, but really nice. So they are quite smaller than you would usually get them, but well worth 50p. I mean, I usually make my own Yorkshire puddings and I batch cook them and put them in the freezer, but for 50p, they're not really even worth making your own. 4 battered white fish fillets for £2.35, and these are excellent. And I think I did the muesli. Yes, I did the muesli. So all that food for less than £30. £29.93p. And there's a lot of meals in there. So I am really, really pleased with that. So that was a very quick video for you, just to show you what you can get for a weekly shop. You may need a few extras, but this was £30. So I just wanted to show you what I got for my £30, or £29.93. So do hope that was helpful, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.